Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can reverse your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. For this we need to jump into our Adobe Premiere Pro, so let's get into it. So as you can see, I have imported a video clip for this tutorial, and let's drag and drop it on our timeline and it will make a sequence. Now if we see, we can see the people are walking and crossing the road, so we will make a reverse of this video. Okay, from here I want a reverse, like from here I'll make a cut. I'll use Ctrl K, it's a shortcut key for a cut, and I'll delete the rest. I will drag one clip above holding the Alt key. It will make a duplicate of my clip. And now we will right click on our clip and go to the speed and duration, and we will click on the reverse speed and hit OK. And that's it. We have just reversed our video clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's so easy, as you can see. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want any other tutorial you can comment down below. I will make the video for you, and I will see you in the next one.